my channel. So I know it's been a very long time. It's been like 9-10 months, almost a year since I've done a video, but I'm back now and I'm gonna be more consistent, I promise. Okay, so today I'm coming to you with a hair review from LUVMEHAIR. I know all of y'all have heard of this company. It's a very good company and I've done videos for them before in the past. Okay, so today, this hair, so I've already took it out the package, but let me just show you everything that comes with it. They give me a little scrunchie, that's cute, some lashes, and I've been having this hair since Christmas, so Christmas, nails, and a couple more trinkets. Oh, a phone thing, that's neat, for the back of your phone, and some earrings, okay, and a comb, and of course the hair. Hair comes in this bag inside of the box, and this is the wig, guys. So I've already straightened this hair. I've also bleached the knots on this wig, and I pluck the hairline just a little bit. But let me show you the construction of this wig. So this is a middle part lace. I've never had a wig like this in my life. I didn't even know they made them like this. So of course it comes with the band, the elastic band, and then this is the middle part. So it's literally just a strip. I'm not sure of the dimensions, but it goes pretty far back, so I do like that. It's not like a 4-inch. It's definitely like a 6 or 7. So I like that about this. And it comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. And it comes with the adjustable straps on each side. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna show y'all how I put this wig on. It's really simple, like I said, super beginner friendly. So what you need is a stocking cap. It's just an old one that I had. And my hair is just in a ponytail in the back, in a little bun. So, and I just realized I cut my hair somehow. I think when I took my sew-in down, I was just cutting, trying to get that off. Lord. Okay, so put this on. Okay, get your wig and make sure you have adjusted the straps, because it's kind of hard to do once you get the wig on. So you take the elastic band and you want to just pull it around to the back like this, and then you want to take the back of the wig and pull it down like so. Put that clip back there, and then put the other 2 clips to straighten. I haven't tried to curl it, but it's very easy to straighten, and it holds, you know, it holds the straightness good. a little bump in it at the end. Like that, just to give it a little bit more body so it won't just be like straight. Ooh, I like this. Okay. This is super cute. Okay, so while my hot comb is heating up, I'm just gonna cut off the lace. So alright guys, so this is it. This is like the easiest wig I've ever installed, like for real. It's super easy. Basically all you do is just put it right on. I didn't do any baby hairs like I usually do. You don't have to glue it down. This is a glueless wig. It's a closure, so you don't have to do any of that like you would do on a lace front. I would definitely recommend this if you've never had a wig, or if you're like scared to try a lace front like most women. I would definitely start off with this type of wig and check out LUVMEHAIR. I have all the description down below in the description bar. And thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Yay! While I was gone, I got a notification that I hit 10,000. And I was just so excited. It took forever because I haven't been consistent, but from now on, I promise I'm going to be more consistent and bring y'all videos. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.